Okay, this is my persuasive essay. Our topic today is smoking. These are smoking effects. Smoking can use lungs disease by damaging your airways, the small air sacs alveoli found in your lungs. Lung disease caused by smoking include COPD, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Cigarette smoking most cases of lung cancer. And we have many questions like what's happened to your body when you smoke. Your lungs can be very badly affected by smoking. Cuts, colds, wheezing, and asthma are just the start. Smoking can use fatal disease such as pneumonia, emphysema, and lung cancer. Smoking causes 84% of deaths from lung cancer and 83% of deaths from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. And another, what are the effects of teenage smoking? Smoking reduces lungs function and lung growth. It also causes shortness of breath, coughing, wheezing, and increase the planned early heart disease. Smoking can damage the heart and blood vessel, which can increase the risk for atherosclerosis and heart disease. And smoking is also bad for the children. This question: what is smoking do to children? There is no risk-free level of exposure to secondhand smoke. Secondhand smoke causes numerous health problems in infants and children, including more frequent and severe asthma attacks, respiratory infection, ear infection, and sudden infant death syndrome (SIDS). And now, my persuasive essay is finished. Do not smoke.